Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to our Facebook page, and today I'm once again here to teach you different drawings. So the first one in today's video is a police dog, and they're really useful. Dogs are the best pets you can ever get. So yeah, it's a police dog and they really help police also a lot. So just adding the small details and color the head part, and first we'll color the head part actually, and then we'll color the jersey of it and it's almost completed. Is there anything left? You can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so it's completed and done. So the next one in today's video is, what do you think it is? Okay, just by the face only you can say it's a sheep, and we are almost done with it, and just the leg part, and then we'll start coloring it, which is the best part. I always say that. Okay, so yeah, we are just coloring it as shown in the video. You can also make the shape and it's done. Anything else left? No, nothing. So yeah, it's done. And now we will teach you the next thing. What do you think it is? Any idea? Okay, I'll tell you. It is a small baby tiger, and as by the stripes only you can tell that it's a tiger, but I told you already. So yeah, oh wow, look at that small cute paws, and he's having something on his head. What is it? Okay, by coloring only you'll tell you what exactly is on the head of the tiger, our little small tiger. It's an orange. Okay, the black stripes are compulsory, so yeah, complete. Now the next one in today's video is a bunny. I always love drawing bunnies, and here this one is also having a carrot in his hand. It always looks like so cheerful type of animals, and he's just running away, I guess. And he's happy. He got the carrot, and see, that's how it looks in the end. So the next one in today's video is what do you think it is? Any ideas? Okay, it's a horse. This one is the first time I've been showing you how to draw a horse. So yeah, watch it nicely. We're just drawing the parts of the horse, and they always have this belt on them so that we can sit comfortably. And now the coloring part. The hairs are done, and now the belt part. We'll just okay. So just coloring the parts to show you, and it's done. So that's how it looks in the end. Next one here is Pikachu, and tell me how many of you know him, because I really do. It's like childhood nostalgia. Pika Pika. Okay, Ash and his Pikachu are the two most famous things in the cartoon world we have seen. All have seen it. Obviously, the two little dots are the identity of Pikachu. So the next one is okay, it's a cat, and okay, we are making a cat only, but I think it's going somewhere. Okay, it's watering the plants. Obviously, they have their own lives. So a cat which is drawing it's watering the plants, and we'll just color the watering can, and it's done. Thank you everyone for watching the video.